guys, welcome to a new video from us. If you remember, my dad prepared a nice little surprise for me last week, and today we're gonna have a look how I react to it. It's quite funny to see it a couple of weeks later and be reminded of this glorious moment. I really loved it. So let's see how I reacted. Enjoy the video!
Hier, Tapete.
Tapete. Na denn?
Na denn?
Gehen wir mal gucken. Ja, nicht schlecht. So tapeziert man heute, oder was?
Ja. Guck mal, wie schnell das geht.
Tapeziert, fertig.
Ich glaube, ich habe die falsch rum.
Tja. Schwere Entscheidung.
Ja.
Schreibt mal in die Kommentare, oben oder unten.
So. Auch nicht schlecht aus.
Die sehen beide nicht schlecht aus. Kann man sich schwer entscheiden. Was passt denn besser?
Ich passe besser.
Ja, schreibt mal. Das ist Nummer 1 und das ist Nummer 2. Was ist eure Meinung? Was passt besser? So, und was soll ich jetzt
Kamera
machen?
läuft. Du sollst jetzt draußen gucken, ob das mit der Giebelwand da richtig funktioniert.
Der Giebelwand.
Ja, na da.
Muss ich doch hier gucken.
Von außen musst du gucken, ob das ordentlich aussieht. Ich weiß ja nicht, ob dir das gefällt, was ich da gemacht habe.
Nein, wa? Was hast du denn da gemacht?
Na, da oben, gucke hin.
Ist nicht dein Ernst, oder?
Ja,
Hast du die jetzt wirklich da eingebaut?
mit Photoshop.
Mit Photoshop da eingebaut?
Photoshop da eingebaut.
Wie krank. Molly, guck mal da. Was, wo, was? Hier kratzt dich aus.
Ja,
Ich dachte, du hast das mit Photoshop da
Naja, habe
eingebaut.
ich ja mit Photoshop da eingebaut.
Hast du die tatsächlich in einem... Du spinnst doch, ey. Du hast das so einen an der Klatsche. Aber gefällt mir, finde ich gut.
Naja, siehst du. Ja, Überraschung.
Ja.
Da musste ich letzte Woche das extra nochmal alles aufmachen, da die Wand, ja. Damit ich das Bild da rein gefummelt kriege.
Das ist aber die echte Lungen, also. Wow, that was a great surprise. I really love it. But now it's back to work. Last week we started the false ceiling in the kitchen, and this week we will continue it and hopefully get it done as well. As you can see, there are still some pipes visible, so my dad will build kind of a box around them so they can disappear. And while the ceiling is still open, he puts the cables in for the lights. As I'm a bit disabled today, I have to do some easy jobs like cleaning and everything. Seems like I have a tendinitis. I think that's the right word for it. Basically, I hurt my hand because of too much work on the computer, too much typing. But yeah, I will still find some things to do, which are probably not that interesting. So yeah, you see my dad more than myself today.
fight the darkness till break of day. The heart and the past changes so fast, like a chameleon. Red ones and blue skies. What did we know? We were so very young. Four-leaf clover, look what you've got. Changing colors more often than not. Same old horizon looks different to you. Breaking silence, so easy to do. The heart and the past changes so fast, like a curve.
Here's a tip for you if you have crooked walls or ceilings and you want to make them straight and level. Maybe you don't know about this, but we have these wonderful adjustable screws and you can screw them in and after that screw them out again to reach the right distance and make the slat basically level. Gonna show you here. I hope you can see it. Auch schön hier so. Der Baustellen, Kaffeebar. After a little tea break, it is back to work. The old chimney, where you can still see these old tiles on the wall, that will stay like this for now. Later we will box that in so the heating system disappears behind the drywall and we will put a door in it so you can access the heating. Yeah, now my dad has to build a little bit in that corner because my mom and I decided that in this corner is a great place for a little table, which of course needs a lamp above it. My dad says we never spoke about this, but my mom and I, we are sure that this was the plan from the beginning. Honestly, there's no use to arguing with two women, so my dad complained, but he will do it anyway. He's a good boy.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
So here it is, the lamp. Well done, Dad. Now he can close the rest of the ceiling.
Hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Yeah, if you wonder why there are white and green plaster boards up there, the green ones are kind of waterproof and they are usually used in the bathroom. But we have some left from the bathroom which we don't need anymore and we don't want to throw them away, and that's why we use them there. Upstairs in the bathroom, the shower tray still needs to be prepared. That's what my dad is doing there. We will have 2 layers of OSB boards in the bathroom because the floor is still swinging quite a lot. We will put linoleum down there in the end because with these old wooden floors it would not be possible to put tiles down because they will crack pretty quickly. Yeah, now just a little bit of cleaning up and that's it for today. We hope you liked the video. If yes, then leave us a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.